Good day everyone, welcome back to the Azure Databricks series. In today's video, we are diving into a powerful feature of Databricks, how to mount your Azure storage account, explore your data and read a CSV file directly from your container using a notebook. Whether you are new to data engineering or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you streamline your workflow and easily access your data in the cloud. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started. Let's go to the Databricks workspace. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new notebook. Yeah. So I'm going to use the AI to help me with the code that I'm going to use for this particular demo. Yeah. I will first request a code to check, that is to list all things in the file system. Yeah, list. So let's execute this, and I'm getting this particular code. Let's execute it. If you see here, it basically lists out all the file system. Yeah. Okay, now we will use the AI and then we will mount the required storage account, the container and the file, and we will view that file. Okay, so what we'll do now is let's click on the new code and then let's use the AI and then let's mount the required storage account. In my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this storage account called jbadbstorageaccount, and the container would be destination, and I'll be looking at the file df.csv. Yeah, let's go to the notebook and then let's give the instruction that mount the storage account, jbadb storage account. Container would be destination, and the file name is df.csv. It is case sensitive, so make sure you are providing proper file name. Yeah, and we will tell that and mount it using the access key. Yeah, and display the content of the file. I'll also tell add the code to unmount it if it is already mounted. Yeah, let's generate it. Okay, so what I'll do, I will look at this code now, and if you see here, it basically provides all the information directly, yeah, which I don't like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give that instruction one more time. Yeah, so whatever instruction I have given. So mount the storage account, jbadb storage account, containers destination, file name is this, and I'm asking it to mount it using the access key and displaying the content of the file. Okay, the only thing is I don't see the variables here, so let me click on generate. I just want a code with the variables in place. Yeah. Okay, I will further tell get the input values as variables. Yeah, let's regenerate. Yeah, this looks good, right? So this is what I'm looking for. So I will accept this. Yeah. And then what we know is that we know the storage account is this one, container is a destination, and this is the file. Mount point would be mnt destination. Now we need to get the access key. So let's go to this storage account. Yeah, and then click on the access keys. Get the access key, and then let's put that here. And if you see here, we are unmounting if it is already mounted, yeah. And then as far as the mount is concerned, we are using this dbutils.fs.mount, yeah, and we are providing the required information here. Let's execute it. Let's see if it completes. Okay, if you see here, it is showing as unmounted, yeah. That means like it was mounted before, yeah. So if you can see here, it is unmounted and then mounted it back, and then we are able to see the content of the file. Okay, now before proceeding further, let's try checking what is there inside the MNT, yeah. So let's execute it. If you can see here, this MNT destination is there. Now what I'll do is like I will include this destination and see if we are able to see the files there, yeah. Okay, so there are two files, df.csv and hdfcbank.csv. So if I go back to the containers here and then click on this destination, we are able to see the two files, yeah. So this is the code using which I'm able to get the required information. Yeah, it also gives me all the details like what is that we have inside that file that we have given. Yeah, it's very easy. Like in the sense, like with the AI, we will be able to generate the code and then we can get the required information. Also, when you look at the stuff here, like previously I requested the AI to give me a code. It gave me a code, but that did not suited me well. Yeah, that I did not have the variables and all. It was all given directly inside the code. So I instructed the AI that I need a code where I need the variable name. So you can give the prompts properly to the AI and then you can get the required codes as per your requirement. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.